This martial art descends from the long tradition of the Sumatran self-defense. Strengthening of personal defensive power by harmonic movements and breathing techniques. Defense against physical attacks by effective reflexive techniques, both defensive and offensive. Action is based on redirection of the opponent's force. Careful study of human anatomy to know the vulnerable spots of the opponent in an attack and for use in massage uru. Furthering of one's creativity through the dance-like forms of the movements and through traditional music also used for meditation. Pandeka MIHAR comes from Western Sumatra, which is one of the 3 regions of origin of traditional the Malay archipelago martial arts.